TCN drink and snack vending machine with card payment. Directly supplied from our own original factory. Supporting OEM, ODM, mass customization. Customizable 6-layer, 8 slots to fit various product types and sizes. It holds up to 240 items. Choose from customizable slot types for beverages, snacks, combos, and more. Shopping process. Press the button to enter the product slot. Pay with a card. Payment can be customized. The goods are dropped, and the goods are picked up at the pickup port. Choose TCN drink and snack vending machines for top volume and cost efficiency.